Welcome to our channel. Hitting more fairways simplifies approach shots and lowers scores. These strategic and technical approaches help you find the short grass consistently. Step 1. Develop a reliable stock shot you can trust under pressure. Whether it's a fade, draw, or straight ball, knowing your typical ball flight allows confident, committed swings. Step 2. Tee the ball on the correct side of the tee box. If you typically fade, tee on the right side, aiming left to maximize fairway width. Draw players should tee left and aim right. Step 3. Pick specific fairway targets rather than aiming vaguely at the center. Identify a tree, bunker, or landmark in the distance, and commit to your target line. Step 4. Consider using less than driver on tight holes. A 3-wood or driving iron sacrifices distance but offers more control and keeps you out of serious trouble. Step 5. Manage your expectations about dispersion. Even professionals miss fairways regularly. Accept that perfect drives every time is unrealistic and focus on playing from the fairway more often. Step 6. Work on your tempo and balance. Smooth, controlled swings with proper balance produce straighter shots than quick, aggressive swings that sacrifice control for distance. Step 7. Practice with alignment aids. Use sticks, clubs, or markings on the range to develop accurate aim. Many missed fairways result from poor alignment rather than swing issues. Step 8. Study each hole's design and identify the optimal landing area considering hazards and approach angles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.